TruckGlide, a heavy-duty retractable platform designed to handle big loads with ease. Capable of carrying up to 1,500 pounds of gear, it slides fully out from the truck bed, so you don't have to climb inside to access your tools or equipment. With a low profile of just over 5 inches from frame to deck, it maximizes accessibility without taking up too much space. The platform features a spring-loaded handle that locks at multiple intervals, ensuring stability when loading or unloading. Plus, it includes 10 D-ring tie-downs to secure your cargo during travel. Installation is flexible. You can mount it directly on your truck bed or on top of an existing vault storage system. TruckGlide comes in 2 widths, a nearly full-width model at about 48 inches and a narrower version around 24 inches wide. The full-width option offers lengths ranging from 60 to 92 inches, while the half-width model spans 65 to 80 inches. Both maintain a slim profile and impressive weight capacity. Erickson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender. A game changer for anyone who hauls bulky gear regularly. Erickson started small back in 1977 and has grown into a trusted name for load securing solutions across North America. This clever extender slides right into your truck's hitch, instantly giving you extra space to carry longer items like ladders, lumber, or kayaks. Built tough with powder-coated steel, it's designed to handle heavy loads and rough use without rusting. The adjustable support arms keep everything steady, while the fold-up design makes storage a breeze when you're not hauling. Plus, with built-in tie-down points, securing your gear is simple and safe. Just remember to double-check your local rules and always secure your load with flags or lights if needed. Ready to make your truck even more capable? The Big Bed Extender is an easy upgrade that can transform how you haul. Space Campers. A California startup has created 2 custom add-ons for the Cybertruck, the Wedge Pop-Up Camper and the Cap Topper. The Wedge weighs 470 pounds, or 430 pounds without the truck bed, and offers up to 8 feet of standing room at its highest point, 6 feet at the lowest. It features 4 110V outlets, fast-charge USB-C ports, and dimmable LED lights with memory settings. Foam insulation controls temperature and reduces condensation. Setup is simple thanks to air-powered actuators connected to the truck's compressor. Inside, a fold-down Murphy bed sleeps 2 and doubles as a projector screen or table. Additional perks include built-in roof steps, lockout bars, and wiring channels, matching the Cybertruck's futuristic design. The Cap Topper increases bed height by 5 inches, adding 40 inches of storage space, supporting 270 pounds in motion and 650 pounds parked. Loaded Rear Boat Loader. A fully automated system designed to simplify loading and unloading boats. It can accommodate boats up to 16 feet long, 82 inches wide, and weighing as much as 400 pounds. Controlled via a wireless remote, it also includes a wired backup for added security. This versatile loader fits a variety of vehicles such as pickups, vans, SUVs, trailers, motorhomes, and campers. Once the boat is lifted, 4 ropes automatically fasten it securely for travel, eliminating the need for extra straps or manual tie-downs. The system includes everything necessary for installation, and most users can have it up and running within a day. What truly makes this loader stand out is how it empowers a single person to control the entire process from start to finish, compatible with aluminum, fiberglass, and inflatable boats. The loaded rear boat loader keeps things straightforward even in challenging conditions like wind, rain, or tricky shorelines. VEVOR Water Tank Bladder. Your go-to solution for flexible, durable water storage wherever you need it. Made from tough, weather-resistant PVC, it stands up to sun, punctures, and changing conditions with ease. Whether you're watering your garden, camping off the grid, managing an emergency, or caring for animals on the farm, this foldable tank adapts to your needs. When not in use, it folds down compactly, saving valuable space. Each tank comes ready with spigots and overflow kits, making setup and water control a breeze. Easy to clean and built to last, it's perfect for everyday use or unexpected situations. Just rinse, dry, fold, and store it away until next time. Barricade Bed Organizer. The Batleak team created Barricade to simplify cargo transport for pickup owners. Made from durable aluminum with stainless steel components, it resists wear and harsh conditions. Its powder-coated finish offers a sleek look and guards against scratches. Adjustable from 47 to 67 inches, it fits most standard truck beds. Rubber pads prevent sliding and protect the bed surface. Heavy-duty military-grade belt straps and a nylon mesh net secure tools, equipment, and loose gear, keeping everything stable during travel. Setup is fast and tool-free, allowing easy installation or removal. This organizer is perfect for job sites or road trips, combining strength, weather resistance, and convenience for safer, hassle-free hauling. Awesome truck and hot tub limousine. This beast starts with a tough Ram 2500, but forget the usual work vibe, this stretched limousine is all about partying in style. Inside, it feels like a nightclub on wheels with plush leather seats, booming sound systems, multiple flat-screen TVs, and not one, but 3 bars stocked with their own fridges. The mood lighting cycles through every color, turning every ride into an instant celebration. But here's the wildest part, a fully heated, working hot tub right in the truck bed. Once you park, you can jump in and soak, though it only fits a few at a time, so if your crew's big, get ready to take turns. The body's been stretched and redesigned with dark tinted windows, still standing tall like a pickup but catching way more eyes wherever it rolls. The builder claims it's the first limo truck combo of its kind, and it's easy to see why. Rack and roll. With motorcycle production soaring to around 61.88 million units worldwide in 2024, the demand for tough, no-nonsense transport solutions is growing fast. Rack and Roll steps up to meet that challenge, built to carry bikes securely over rugged terrain without overcomplicating things. Its solid steel frame, powder-coated for durability, mounts to any standard 2-inch hitch, no drilling or vehicle mods needed. The system uses stainless steel fittings, chocks, turnbuckles, and a front wheel lock to keep your bike planted, even solo. One person can load and secure a bike without breaking a sweat. The sport model carries up to 275 kilograms, enough for a heavy ADV or even 2 smaller rides. It's designed for off-roaders, solo haulers, and anyone who doesn't want to fuss with straps that fail or mounts that wobble. The loading ramp isn't included and runs $395, but it's aluminum, lightweight, and includes a lighting kit, perfect for late-night hauls. DewEze Flatbed. From Harper Industries is built to take on the toughest jobs, day in and day out. Its rugged steel frame and corrosion-resistant gator-hide coating offer serious durability and slip protection. Designed for versatility, it fits a variety of cap-to-axle lengths for both single and dual rear-wheel trucks. The bed features a recessed gooseneck ball rated for 40,000 pounds, a receiver hitch, and D-rings for secure hauling. LED lights are integrated into the brake lights, side markers, and louvered headache rack, offering rear cab protection without sacrificing visibility. Choose a square or beveled rear edge to match your turning needs. Standard stake pockets allow for side panel or accessory installs, and you can add heavy-duty toolboxes above or below the bed. An optional swing light kit lets you direct light exactly where you need it. Reliable, tough, and functional, the DewEze 1000 series flatbed is priced around $14,500, made for real work. WaterPORT. Ready for your next adventure? Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway, camping in the wild, or just rinsing off after a beach day, WaterPORT has your back. The Go Spout is the grab-and-go option, small, super portable, and perfect for quick cleanups. It's got everything you need: a built-in pump cap, coiled hose, spray nozzle with multiple settings, and even space to add a soap attachment. Toss it in your trunk and you're good to go. Need more water and more ways to use it? The day tank is your all-around utility player. It's easy to pressurize with a hose, pump, or even an air compressor, and mounts anywhere from your hitch to your roof rack. It's great for longer trips, outdoor showers, or cleaning gear after a muddy ride. For serious adventurers who need more capacity without sacrificing space, the Overlander delivers. It's tough, road-ready, and made for rough conditions. Hilltip Spraystriker. A fully electric liquid spraying solution built for winter road maintenance on a wide range of vehicle platforms. Available in multiple sizes, the lineup includes the 250TR with a 250-liter tank, the 350 UTV with a 350-liter capacity, and mid-sized models from 500 to 2,000 liters. The High Flow series pushes capacity further, offering tanks as large as 12,500 liters. Depending on the configuration, spray widths can be set between 0.8 and 5 meters. Smaller units deliver 3 to 18 liters per minute, mid-sized models range from 5 to 36 liters, and high-capacity systems reach flow rates up to 113 liters per minute. With integrated GPS-based speed control, the system dynamically adjusts spray volume in real time based on vehicle speed. Operators can control the unit via the Strike Smart system, which is smartphone compatible for on-the-go management. Y61 Goo Patrol Resurrection. What started as a tray swap turned into a hardcore off-road build by Shannon's Engineering. This 2009 Nissan Patrol now stands taller with a 2-inch superior engineering lift and reinforced rear coil towers. An ARB twin compressor, linked to a 9L air tank, runs the diff lockers and airbagman coil airbags, fully digital, controlled from the toolbox. Engine breathing improved thanks to a 3-inch steel exhaust for stainless snorkel and airbox from Patrol Doctor, and an HDP catch can for cleaner internals. Underbody gear includes a bash plate and front diff guard. The custom 185 by 255 cm steel tray features tie-down rails, hardwood decking, a 60L water tank with pump, and tapered toolboxes. Raptor liner protects the bull bar, flares, and lower panels. Up top, a Rhino rack holds a 40-inch light bar and side-mounted LEDs, all switch-controlled. Twin spare wheels sit in a custom headboard cradle, ready for long-distance touring, anywhere you dare. Bed step. If you're always climbing in and out of your truck bed, the bed step could really change the game, especially when it comes to accessing your new toolbox. It wouldn't be a stretch to imagine the team at Adapt teaming up with the Bed Step 2 folks, considering the steps are currently sold separately at $320 each. So, what justifies that price? A few clever features help explain it. There's a textured, anti-slip surface, self-lubricating bushings for durability, and the convenience of foot-activated deployment. Each step is no lightweight either. It can handle up to 136 kilograms without a problem. Crafted from durable aluminum and finished with a rust-resistant black powder coat, the bed step is built to take a beating. It's designed to mount on a variety of truck models, whether at the rear bumper or along the side of the bed. One of its standout perks is that you can fold it down using just your foot, no hands necessary. Kingspan TruckMaster makes fueling on-site simple, safe, and fast. Whether you're working in agriculture, construction, or forestry, these rugged diesel tanks are built to keep up with tough jobs and changing weather. Made from heavy-duty polyethylene, they're ready for rough handling without cracking or fading. Each unit includes a powerful pump, automatic nozzle, and debris-filtered suction line, everything you need to fuel equipment wherever you are. With lockable lids for security and smart features like forklift pockets and lifting eyes, transport is easy. ADR-approved models are ready for road use, and setup takes just one person. Skip the fuel station, bring the fuel to the job. Cybertruck Basecamp. Bold upgrades meet futuristic design with Space Camper's two custom add-ons for Tesla's Cybertruck, the Wedge and the Cap Topper. The Wedge, weighing 430, 470 lb, sets up fast via pneumatic lifts using the truck's compressor. Inside, it boasts 8-foot peak standing room, foam insulation, a Murphy bed, touch-dim LED lights, USB-C ports, and even doubles as an outdoor table or screen. Built-in steps and telescoping bars enhance functionality and security. Meanwhile, the Cap Topper raises bed height by 5 in, supports 270 pounds in motion, and up to 650 pounds when parked. With 10 feet of storage and LREC runners for rooftop gear, it's sleek, strong, and ready for adventure. Optional extras include a shower, mattress, or projector.